Hello everybody, welcome to the third class. So, till now we talk about 2 minute strategy. We talk about 2 minute strategy. We talk about SNR, the strong SNR, and we talk about the sellers and buyers entry point. It was also in the SNR. We talk about this. These are also SNRs. The sellers and buyers entry are equal to SNR. There is no difference. Some people think the SNR and sellers entry point and buyers entry point are different, but these are same. Okay, so we talk the sellers entry point. You can see a strong sellers from this level. So this candle, this level here, this level we can trust this level. Why? Because we are seeing a strong sellers here. So in the future, if the market close at this level, we can trust this level. Okay, here you can see we are seeing a entry point, a strong sellers here. So in the future, when the market close at this level, we can trust. You can see again a seller's entry. So you can trust these levels. Here you can see some. Okay, here it is not very strong here actually. We need a. Okay, here it is a strong. You can see it made a momentum, and also a level with big candle. It is also a good entry point. Here you can see a big candle at the level from a level we are. Okay, here it is a very good example. Here you can see a very strong and big candle from an entry point, from a buyers. Okay, from a level, a SNR level, a very big candle. So we can trust this level in the future. So we talk about this SNR also, the strong SNR. Those are have so many reversal. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me change the color. Here you can see we have some level here. These are all SNR, right? We already know about this, but we can trust this level. Okay, let me draw it for you. We can trust this level here, this blue line here. Why? Because you are seeing so many reversal at this level. So here on these levels we don't know, but here it is visible for us. We are seeing 4 reversal here, so it is a trustable level. And you can also trade opposite of the direction of the trend, against the trend, but it is more safe to stay with the trend and get a 5-second confirmation. So it is more safe for you. So now you know these points. Today I want to show you entry points, the buyers and sellers entry points in trend line. Okay, you can choose the trend line here. You can see this option, and the trend line show you the next buyers and sellers entry point. If you draw a trend line with 2 reversal point in the market, you will get the third reversal, or the next reversal, the fourth, 5, until market break this level. Okay, and you can see it is working, and here also it is working. So today we wanna talk about entry points in trend line, the trend line strategy. So let me explain you how to draw a trend line. You can see here we are seeing two buyers entry points. So with 2 or 3 entry points, you will get the 4 points, or you will get the next entry. It is better to say like this. You will get the next entry point with combine these 2 or 3 entry points. Okay, so that's how you can draw a trend line. You can see from this level we can combine these 2 points and we can get the next entry point. You can see the sellers enter from this level and the market didn't close at the level, so we cannot trade here because of this gap, but you can see it work. The trend line will help you and will give you good winning ratio in trading. So if you combine these 2 points, you will get the third entry, or 4 or 5 in the future whenever market come to this level, until the market break this level. Okay, so you can trust the trend line and try to draw trend line with the closing point of the candle. It is more good and it is better. So try to draw the trend line with closing point, not with wicks. You can see here I draw with this closing point of the market. So try to draw trend line with closing point. Here if you want to draw a trend line, you must draw like this. You can see with closing point of the candle, and you will get the next entry point. Here you can see the market worked here. So draw a trend line always with a closing point, and you can draw it with 2 reversal. You can see here we have a reversal, here we have a reversal. You can draw like this, it's not a matter, and you can trust the trend line. But if you draw a, you can see these 2 points have a strong reversal, or this 2 points here, or let me show you another example. Okay, like this, you can see this point a strong seller, this point a strong seller. This trend line will be more stronger if you draw like this with 2 points. With 2 strong point, it will be more stronger, but here because of this gap, you can see it didn't work. So the market must close at the level like this. You can see a strong buyers enter. So this is how to draw a trend line. You can see with 2 reversal points and with closing point, you can draw a trend line easily, and you will give the next entry point easily. Okay, so this is how to draw a trend line. You can see this closing point of this candle and this closing point, so you will get the next entry point like this. Okay, so now let's talk about how to trade with a trend line. Okay, let me tell you. When you draw a trend line, here you can see it work as a resistance, again as a resistance, but here we don't know still we don't know it is a support or not when the market is here. Okay, we are seeing a rejection here, but we must be sure. But after this, you can see a buyer's entry after breakout. So now we are sure it is also working.